Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we will take a quick peek into different data types in Python. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the syntax and basic operations on strings, lists, tuples, and sets. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about strings. Strings in Python are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. You can use single quotes, double quotes, or even triple quotes for multi-line strings. Let's now see some of the operations we can perform on strings. 1. Concatenation. You can concatenate strings using the plus operator. 2. Repetition. You can even repeat them using star operator. 3. Accessing characters. Accessing characters in a string is done using indexing. Remember, Python uses zero-based indexing. 4. Slicing strings. You can also slice strings to get substrings. 5. String methods. Python provides many built-in string methods to perform various operations. Here are a few common ones. We have different methods like upper, lower, replace, and split to manipulate strings in various ways. Next, let's talk about lists. Lists in Python are ordered collections of items, which can be of any data type. Lists are created using square brackets. You can access elements in a list using indexing, just like with strings. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change their contents. Let's try adding and removing elements and perform list slicing. These operations make lists very flexible and powerful for managing collections of items. And if you want to access a character within an element in the sliced list, you can do that too. Here, we first select the second element of the sliced list, which is cherry, by using the index 1. Then, we select the second character within cherry using the index 1 again. Tuples are similar to lists, but they are immutable, meaning once created, their contents cannot be changed. Tuples are created using parentheses. If we try to modify an element in a tuple, as you can see, trying to change the value of an element in the tuple results in a type error. This demonstrates that tuples are immutable and their values cannot be modified after creation. Finally, let's talk about sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique items. They are created using curly braces. Sets are particularly useful for membership tests and eliminating duplicate entries. Let's see some common set operations. Here, we add an element date to the set fruit set and then remove the element banana. Let's create two sets, A and B. Now let's look at some common set operations. The union of sets A and B combines all unique elements from both sets . The intersection of sets A and B gives the common elements. The difference of sets A and B returns the elements that are in a but not in B. That's it for today's tutorial on data types in Python. We've covered strings, lists, tuples, and sets. Each of these data types has its own unique properties and use cases, making Python a versatile language for all kinds of programming tasks. In our next video, we will explore dictionaries, as well as some conditional statements like if statements and looping constructs like for and while loops. These are essential for adding logic and control flow to your programs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.